Today, I'll show you how to create a to-do in Basecamp. Whether you're new to Basecamp or just looking for a refresher, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to organize your tasks efficiently. Basecamp is a powerful project management tool that helps teams collaborate by providing a platform for sharing files, scheduling tasks, and much more. Let's dive right into the process of creating a to-do list. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to basecamp.com. Basecamp's clean and intuitive interface makes it easy to find your way around. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and various options available. This orientation will help you move through the subsequent steps more smoothly. Next, you'll need to select a project that you want to work on. Basecamp organizes work into projects, each acting as a central hub for all related activities. Browse through your list of projects and click on the one you're planning to manage. If you don't have any projects yet, you might want to create one by clicking on the New Project button and following the prompts. Once inside your chosen project, you'll see a variety of tools and options available to you. Now, locate the plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your project, including to-dos. It's usually found at the top of the project page or within specific sections, making it easy to expand your project's capabilities. Click on the plus icon to open up a menu of options. From the menu that appears, you'll want to click on the To-Dos option. This will allow you to begin creating your to-do list within the project. To-Dos are an integral part of Basecamp's functionality, providing a straightforward way to keep track of tasks, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines. Clicking on To-Dos will bring you to a new screen where you can start entering the tasks you need to accomplish. As you create your to-do list, think about the specific tasks that need to be completed, who will be responsible for them, and any deadlines that should be associated with each task. Basecamp allows you to assign tasks to team members, add notes for further clarification, and set due dates to ensure everything stays on track. Being detailed in this step will improve communication and accountability within your team. And there you have it. You've successfully created a to-do list in Basecamp. Remember, the key to effective project management is staying organized and keeping everyone on the same page, and Basecamp's to-do lists are a fantastic way to achieve that. If you ever need to edit or update your to-dos, you can do so by returning to the project and selecting the task list you wish to change. I hope you found this guide helpful. Basecamp is a great tool for keeping your projects organized and your team productive. If you're interested in learning more about its features, be sure to explore other tutorials and resources available online. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.